Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is 7:15 here on the East Coast, and today I will be going over a couple stocks actually. But in this video, I will be going over OCGN, an investor, trader, someone who is consistently learning technical analysis, sent me a message asking me to do an analysis on OCGN, and I decided to do an analysis on OCGN. I blocked out their names because I'm not sure they would have allowed me to um, share that message with you all. I'll have to ask them later, but I did blur out the names so it can remain confidential. But I will be doing a video on OCGN today. I am thinking about doing a Discord in the future. Let me know if you all would join my Discord in the future in the comments. Send me a message if you all would like a Discord. So I wanted to start with as big a time frame as possible for OCGN so I can get the full picture. So on the 1 month, I see there's no 200-day time frame. That is not a good sign for the 1 month time frame. The 3 week, I don't see a 200-day. The 2 week, I finally see a 200-day time frame. And the 21-day moving average, this white line for those of you who are now joining, is below this 200-day moving average. So that's not a bullish sign. You want the 21-day to be above the 200-day. And on top of it, I see that this momentum line, this purple momentum line, is below this average line, this yellow average line here on the RSI for the 2 week. And it's in that 49 area, not really an entry that we look for. We want an entry in that 30 area. But it's the 2 week. Let's see if we can find a trade. So far, I haven't seen it for myself if I was going to take it. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes, for entertainment only. What you do with this information is up to you. Let's look at the 5-day. 47 area. So what I'm seeing is that this purple momentum line is not yet above this average line. You want the purple momentum line to be above this average line. You want, let's look at this 5-day. Every time the purple momentum line went above the average line, we had a pop. Every time we went above, we had a little pop. Every time we went above, we had a little upward trend, upward trend. As soon as that momentum line went below the average line, we had a downward trend. We want to confirm that this OCGN stock is going on an upward trend. So this purple momentum line being below the average line doesn't confirm a reversal yet. But I do see this 21-day above the 200-day on the 5-day. Let's keep looking. Okay, on the 3-day, I see that the RSI did hit this 38 area, which is an entry, and it's at that 45 area. So if you're in, I would stay in until this 3-day RSI goes back below that average line. Until this 3-day momentum line goes back below that average line, then you know it's an exit. That's the 3-day. I don't see a clean cut pattern yet, so I couldn't say what the target is as yet. Yeah, there's no hidden bullish here. Okay. And this 10-hour RSI is at, the momentum line is above that average line, but that momentum line is at 60 area. We want a 30 area for entry. So I would keep my eyes open for OCGN. I don't see anything just yet. Even on the 1 hour time frame, the momentum line is below the average line and it's at that 60 area. I'm looking for an entry at around 30. So I don't really see an entry yet for OCGN. Go even smaller. Down to the 10-minute. The 10-minute is at that 37 entry area. So I would enter it if it goes above that average line, only because the bigger time frames are nowhere near that 30 entry, and this is only the 10-minute. 10-minute is very quick. Yesterday was the 23rd, today is the 24th. So you may have like a 1 day trade here, potentially, from, let's see, from 1.38 a share to 1.53 a share on the 10-minute. That would be a 10% move, risking 3.6%. So if it hits 1.31, then you're out the trade. This pattern that's trying to form here is negated. And that's only because this RSI is in that 30 area and the 21-day moving average is above that 200-day. But you want that 1 hour in your favor, and it's not right now. So this is not something that I would take just yet. This is the analysis for OCGN. I will be doing 2 more video uploads throughout the day, maybe around 12 noon and in the evening. So look for that. Hope you all enjoyed this analysis of OCGN. Leave any comments, concerns, questions in the comment section below. I am thinking about a Discord, and for the first 15-20 followers who want to join my Discord, I will have a smaller fee for you to enter compared to everyone else that enters. So definitely leave questions, comments, concerns, your own analysis in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Today is June 24th, 2026. June 24th, 2026. Have a good day.